In this video, I'll show you how you can save your Google Calendar as a PDF. So maybe you need to print it out, or maybe you need to save it as a PDF so you can keep record of all of the things that you need to do at specific times. Maybe it's just better for you to have it saved as a document instead of keep going to Google Calendar. So to do that, go to Settings in the top right hand corner, then click on Print. What it will do is it will then ask you for a date range. Now, the date range that you see will most likely be the date range on the screen. So mine's from the 24th to the 2nd. What we can do is we can make sure that this is all good and we're happy with how it looks. We then click Print. What's going to happen then is it's going to open up this window and it will probably select a printer. But if you want to save it as PDF, go Save as PDF, click Save, and then you can save this wherever you need to. And now if we take a look at it, it should be saved. So here is the calendar, and that's pretty much all you need to do. Here it is saved as a PDF.